First, the top news headlines. India sees biggest spike of over 62,000 fresh COVID-19 cases. Delhi reaches 20.27 lakh. Manipur celebrates National Handloom Day 2020. Award winners fitted. And fourth death, many fear trapped under soil in massive landslide in Kerala. Very good afternoon and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. In the biggest single-day spike so far, India has recorded over 62,538 fresh coronavirus cases, taking the tally to over 20 lakh. The COVID-19 death toll has also gone up to 41,585 with 886 deaths being recorded in the past 24 hours. The total number of coronavirus cases in India has surpassed the 20 lakh mark and reached 20,27,074. According to the latest Health Ministry data, India now has 6,07,384 active cases, while 13,78,105 people have recovered from the disease or have been discharged after treatment. The government data says India's recovery rate is over 67% right now, while mortality rate among coronavirus cases is at 2.05%. The Health Ministry has also said that more than 70% of the deaths occurred due to comorbidities. The cumulative number of COVID-19 cases has now reached 3,217 in Manipur, out of which 536 are security personnel. 8 people have succumbed to the deadly virus as of now in the state. According to the latest update from the COVID Command Control Room, during the past 24 hours, 115 persons have been tested positive for COVID-19 at Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS and Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences JNIMS Imphal West RAT, Kakching District Hospital, Babina Diagnostics, Churachandpur District Hospital and Caesar Hospital. The newly confirmed cases hails from different districts of Manipur and they are now getting medical attention at different COVID care facilities. In the last 24 hours, 43 people were discharged from different COVID care centers across the state after they tested negative for COVID-19. The number of active cases now stands at 1,304, while 1,905 persons have been recovered from the disease till now. Directorate of Handloom and Textiles, Government of Manipur today celebrated the National Handloom Day 2020 at the All Secretariat Conference Hall, Imphal. Minister of Textiles, Commerce and Industry, Thongam Biswajit, Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Limited, S. Rajen Singh, and Commissioner cum Secretary, Textile, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur, Divesh Dibal, IS, attended the event. During the function, Minister T.H. Biswajit facilitated 26 winners of State Award and Merit Award for Master Craftsman 2019-2020. They were also presented with cash awards, mementos, citations and shawls. Many tea estate workers are fear-trapped under soil in Kerala's Munnar after torrential rains triggered a massive landslide today. The area has been witnessing rains for the last 3 days, a media report said. According to local authorities, the incident in Idukki district happened in the early hours of Friday. Communication links to the area have been affected as the power lines have snapped in the rains. Initial reports said 4 bodies have been recovered from the site and 10 people saved. At least 80 people were reportedly staying in the area, local authorities said. A team of the National Disaster Response Force NDRF has reached the area. 20 houses of plantation workers have also been destroyed in the landslide, the report said. The situation is really serious, Revenue Minister E. Chandrasekharan said. The minister further said that the authorities are trying to airlift those injured. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's office said that they have contacted the Indian Air Force to provide helicopter services to Rajamala for rescue operations. It is expected to be available soon. Well, it's time for a short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Admission notice. Admission in prescribed forms are invited for admission into the 3 years bachelor's degree program of BSc, BA, BCom, BBA and BPES for the academic session 2020-2021 in the following constituent colleges of Dhanamanjuri University. The colleges are DM College of Science, DM College of Arts, DM College of Commerce and GP Women's College. Prescribed application form, admission prospectus and detailed eligibility criteria are available on our website dmu.ac.in/online.dmuportal.in. Application complete in all respects should be submitted only through online mode to dmu.ac.in/online.dmuportal.in from 6 August 2020 till 4 p.m. of 31st August 2020 along with ₹100 only through online payment. For any queries, please contact helpdesk.dmu@gmail.com or 70085 766 112 or 8413 972144.
Another feature single loinana Lecture Datsun Ready Gold. Distinctive LED DRLS, 20-inch 32cm infotainment screen, smart drive auto, spacious cabin, flexible storage capacity, intuitive reverse parking assist camera, starting price 3 lakh. Booking kidama ngasi maglengsin birau Island Nissan Kantipur near Standard Robert Higher Secondary School.
AKID Center, Gari Makhalekai gi Imphal Valley Academy da hangliba center asina NET amadi IIT JEE experience singda top makhal gi coaching piri. LN Akash Fitji amadi Kota Rajasthan gi experience leraba faculty singna center asida takpi tambiri.
I am Sudhir Inam and I am a student of Commerce School and I choose AKID.
I'm Khojam Viraj. I'm a student of Science National School, Odisha and I choose AKID.
I'm Robertson Hong Sangbom. I'm a student of Harvard School and I choose AKID.
Karan Rong Sangbom Government School and I choose AKID.
Online admissions open. Register today.
Welcome back after the break. A combined team of Bishnupur Commando and 31 Assam Rifles yesterday arrested 2 active cadres of KNF Jet along with 1 9mm pistol, 1 magazine, 2 live rounds at NHPC gate, a police report said. The arrested has been identified as Paukam Haukeb, aged 53, son of late Ngamkhoham Haukeb from Kungpi village and Nongkhogin Baite, aged 33, son of Janglam Baite of Leimatag Bungmol. The duo along with the seized articles were handed over to Loktak police station for further necessary action and case has also been registered. The ration distribution by Okram Jugindro of Kunja Awanglekai, which started from August 5th, ended today. In fond memory of his late family members, Okram Jugindro distributed the ration to the residents of Langthabal Awanglekai of Ward number 8. He distributed rice, potato and edible oil to around 500 households. Sixth Potsangbam Jila Parishad member L. Bobby has appealed to the people of Manipur to maintain the standard operating procedure SOP laid down by the government to combat COVID-19. In a video message, Bobby expressed concern over the rapid spread of the respiratory disease in the state, asserting that the government is making an all-out effort to control the situation. Bobby also appealed to the masses not to indulge in social stigmatization of COVID patients and their family members.
Mapan Tokana, make Subu, Jangatanaba, away Amatoina, Matamzana, away Wakan Kantaminakanda, Hai de Bawa, Nangway the Bawa, Nangvidaba, a Kuchaching Hambiba, Lena, Zatu River Pina, the Tum River, Pantu River Miandu, Imunda, Java, Tapa, Punma, Angang Village Zagadadi, Pinasing it to one Hambiraga, away Yamgana. Sanitize over Haraga, Anna was a Minazi, I welcome the Amjaraga
Workers of More BJP unit and intending BJP candidate Jay Khongsai today carried out a sanitization program in and around More town. Manipur Fire Service personnel also took part in the sanitization drive, during which sodium hypochlorite solution was sprayed at various places to contain the spread of COVID-19. Jay Khongsai said that the program was held with permission from the Chief Minister, Manipur State BJP President and Secretary. He urged the public to work together in fighting against the deadly disease.
More manung rayada loina sanitize tokthoi aduna si ayabasi President BJP gi amasung General Secretary BJP gi aduga Sri Honorable CM gi ayaba lawraga अदुगा एगी वॉलंटियर सिंगा एगी मीसिंगा तौरगा मोरे मनोंसी सैनिटाइज तौथोकबनी अदुना मणिपुर दा डिस्ट्रिक्ट तोंगान तोंगान दा लाइनासी याम खल्लकबा नीति पुंखल्लकबनीना कोई मोरे दसु पाखतबा यादे अदुना मयामना मोरे मनोंसी दा लेरिबा इचिनिनाव एखोय मयामना होनसे कन्ना अदुना होनरगा कोविड दगी नानथोनबा एखोय मयामना होनसे हैना
Volunteers of Bajrang Dal and RSS allegedly trashed Meitei residents at Udharbon village in Assam's Silchar, besides destroying house properties belonging to the Meitei community last morning. According to our Jiribam correspondent, the incident happened in the aftermath of the Bhumi Puja by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Ayodhya on August 5th last. A group of Bajrang Dal and RSS activists celebrating the event allegedly threw burning crackers at a residence and a shop belonging to one C.H. Nepal Singha of Udharbon village, which led to a scuffle. Later, a large number of Bajrang Dal and RSS activists thronged the residence of C.H. Nepal around 11 a.m. and assaulted his family members, besides destroying house properties. Nepal Singha then filed a written complaint at Udharbon police station regarding the incident. A team of National Disaster Response Force NDRF in association with Village Chief conducted a sanitization drive yesterday in Chandel district. Several locations including Chandel district headquarters, Japho Bazaar, quarantine centers, Chandel district mini secretariat complex and DC Chandel office were disinfected with sodium hypochlorite solution during the program to ward off novel coronavirus. Member of Yaro Bamdiar Gram Panchayat Ward number 7, Awangziri El Diben, Naharol Yaifa Club Awangziri and Awangziri Maning Nupi Marup jointly organized a sanitization drive in the ward area. El Diben provided sodium hypochlorite, face masks and hand sanitizers to Naharol Yaifa Club Awangziri. Diben also provided face masks and hand sanitizers to around 35 senior citizens of the area along with a sum of rupees 200 each. Awangziri COVID-19 committee convener El Bijoy lauded El Diben for his generosity.
19 टेस्ट तौनबगी तंजादुसु खोई कयामा मतेंग पांगदुना दुगुंबा मखल मखल कयामा लाचरी मतुंगदसु खोई दुगुंबगी सरकारगी क्वारंटाइन दि हलाकांदा अवांगजीरा क्वारंटाइन अनि हांगदुना क्वारंटाइन सेंटर अनि हांगदुन थमजरी हारिबसिंग असिदसु करिगुंबा खदोंग थीबा दुगुंबा लाइनाची पक्तबा ओइसनु अमसुंग हौगिबा टेस्ट तौबदसु नेगेटिव लोइ लाखिदना अखोई यामना नुंगाइजबा इमुंग मनुंगिसु अमसुंग लेकाइसिकिसु नुंगाइजबा पोट अमा
Let's take another short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Downtown University, Chahi Manghan Biganu, Adumgi Ichabu, Chahi Manghan Biganu. Northeast India's most placement-driven university ama oiriba, Assam Downtown University ki admission haujare. Pandemic asigi yenglaga online class su September amadigi haujaragani. Engineering, paramedical amadi allied course singda ming chanbining basingna. Assam Downtown University Admission Office Babupara Bosem Imphal Lerakta Lakpiduna Form Lobiu Ming Chanbiu Amadi Tanabiu Manipur University da affiliate Tauraba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Sairam Langjing Achoba Imphal West ki admission haujare course singdi BSc Agriculture BSc Horticulture Amadi Bachelor of Business Administration BBN Aku pamarol gidamak ekhogi website www.sairam.org.in natraga 7641929924 da contact tawiyo.
Welcome back. COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya have crossed 1,000 today after 13 new positive cases were reported. With 13 new cases, the state now has a total of 1,003 cases. However, the number of active cases came down from 640 to 587 after 66 persons have recovered from the disease. According to a media report, Meghalaya now has 587 active cases, 412 recovered and 5 deaths. Addressing a conclave on transformational reforms in higher education under National Education Policy, Prime Minister Narendra Modi Friday said the new National Education Policy NEP will be the foundation of the new India. At the conclave aimed to discuss several new initiatives introduced under the recently launched NEP, the Prime Minister asked all stakeholders to discuss the ways to implement the new policy. As per a media report, Modi said that through NEP, India will transform its students into global citizens who are rooted in their values. Quote, in recent years, There have not been major changes in education, and thus the values of curiosity and imagination were not given the trust. Instead, we moved towards a herd community, the mapping of interest, ability, and demand we needed. We need to develop critical thinking and innovative thinking abilities in our youths. It will be possible if we have purpose, philosophy, and passion of education, unquote, he added. The United States has lifted the highest level of its global health travel advisory for Americans due to the coronavirus pandemic and restored the previous country-specific system without changing the status of over 50 countries, including that of India and China. As per a media report, the U.S. State Department issued the Level 4 Do Not Travel Advisory, the highest level of travel advisor, on March 19, urging American citizens not to travel overseas due to the coronavirus pandemic. India remains on the Level 4 of the travel advisory along with more than 50 countries, including China. This means that the U.S. urges its citizens not to travel to India due to the increasing coronavirus cases. The State Department, in its latest travel advisory on India issued on Thursday, said, "Do not travel to India due to COVID-19. Exercise increased caution in India due to crime and terrorism." Researchers and pharmaceutical companies around the globe are racing to find a vaccine for the coronavirus disease. While some companies are still focusing on the initial round of clinical trials for their vaccine candidate, others have raced ahead to third and final phase of testing, as per a media report. In fact, U.S. President Donald Trump, whose government is pouring in billions for a COVID-19 vaccine, said on Thursday it was possible that the United States would have a coronavirus vaccine before the November 3rd election. However, top U.S. infectious disease official Anthony Fauci, a leading voice in the healthcare fraternity, had given a more conservative outlook. He had said on Wednesday that drug makers will likely have tens of millions of doses of coronavirus vaccines in the early part of next year. Fauci said there could be 1 billion vaccine doses available by the end of 2021 and that the world could get past the pandemic by then. Saklon Amma, a live phone-in program with popular singer Arbind Soibam at 1:30 p.m. today on Tom TV. Please call 7629943543 and join the phone-in program. You can talk to Arbind Soibam and listen to any song of your choice. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. India sees biggest spike of over 62,000 fresh COVID-19 cases. Delhi reaches 20.27 lakh. Manipur celebrates National Handloom Day 2020. Award winners fitted. And 4 dead, many fear trapped under soil in massive landslide in Kerala. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur and have a pleasant day.